Domain and range of quadratic functions is very similar to the domain and range of linear, because for domain, this is still your x values. And then notice what I wrote under there. All quadratic graphs have a domain of all real numbers. Every single time, the domain is all real numbers. Unless you have a real world problem or the graph is cut off with endpoints, like on the last problem, it's always all real numbers. So whenever we look at this very first one, if we were to go graph this equation, it would look like this, which would mean it would continue going forever and ever to the left and right, which is all real numbers. On our next one, it says, the table shows some ordered pairs that belong to this function. What is the range? Now remember, range means y, so we're only looking at these y values. You notice that they're going down, 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 and then they start going back up again at this point. So we have this center point right here, the vertex, and that is where we can find our range. So if we go find -8 on our answer choices, it's letter 8. All real numbers greater than or equal to -8. So you notice from -8, all the numbers go up in this direction and up in this direction. On our third question, which graph best represents a function with a range, y values, of all real numbers greater than or equal to -6? So that means we're going to have a minimum at -6. So this one, our minimum is 0. This one has a maximum, so that can't be it. This one has a maximum again. So everything is less than, not greater than, and our problem says greater than. This is the only problem where everything goes up greater than -6. So our answer is C. On the last one, it says this, which graph represents a function with a domain, x, of all real numbers greater than or equal to -7 and less than 2. So that means we're going to start on the left side at -7 and go to the +2. This one goes from -2 to +7. That can't be it. Has the numbers switched around. This one goes from -4 to +1. That can't be it. This one goes from -3 to +2. That can't be it. And letter D goes from -7, all real numbers greater than -7 and less than 2. That is our answer.